Now let us discuss this lineage of granulopoiesis and monopoiesis. It starts with a multipotent hematopoietic stem cell. It carries on with the myeloid common progenitor. And the colony forming unit GM that will give rise to a cell called myeloblast, that differentiates into another stage that already has some azurophilic granules in the cytoplasm, and it's called promyelocyte. And this promyelocyte differentiates into three types of myelocytes that already start to express some specific granules. First, these granules appear close to the Golgi complex, and there could be neutrophilic granules, there could be reddish eosinophilic granules, and dark basophilic granules. So we got a stage of myelocytes, and there is a neutrophilic, myelocyte, eosinophilic, myelocyte, and basophilic myelocyte. This is the stage with the specific granules. That appear. The next stage is called metamyelocyte, and according to the granules we got again three types of metamyelocytes. Metamyelocyte, where the granules are already distributed more evenly in the whole cell. So there's a neutrophilic metamyelocyte, eosinophilic metamyelocyte, and basophilic metamyelocyte, and they mature into the cells we already know from the peripheral blood. That means the granulocytes. The neutrophilic granulocyte first has a non-segmented nucleus. It's called stap cell. And we know that later on it increases the amount of the nucleus segments into 2, 3, 4 and up to 5. So I'll provide an example of a stage with 3 lobes, etc. But that's the maturation. Okay. So the first neutrophilic granulocyte that appears in the peripheral blood is called neutrophilic band or stab cell. And here we go with the eosinophilic granulocyte, which has these 2 nuclear lobes and a typical reddish granules. So that would be the eosinophilic granulocyte, while the basophilic granulocyte has an irregular shape of nucleus that is hiding behind huge basophilic granules. So this is a basophilic granulocyte. The granulocytes already appear in peripheral blood. Another cell that might differentiate from the same colony-forming unit would be the monoblast. That matures into a cell called promonocyte. That differentiates into a monocyte, the largest cell in the peripheral blood, which has the kidney-shaped nucleus and plenty of cytoplasm with unspecific azurophilic granules, which are actually the lysosomes. So this is the monocyte. Its further fate is not a part of the monopoiesis anymore, but let's only remind us of the fact that it penetrates the tissues where it becomes a tissue macrophage, a mobile cell with irregular shape of nucleus and a variety of lysosomes, phagosomes and other vacuoles. So it's a tissue macrophage.